Welcome to the Awakening Trail Season 2 Hustler series, where we dive deep into the minds of change makers, dreamers, and doers who are transforming the world one idea at a time. Today's guest is someone who didn't just think outside the box. He actually broke the box. He rewired it and he literally gave it wheels. You might also have seen him on Shark Tank India, where he actually stunned the judges and the nation with a simple yet powerful innovation called DWAKE, the Dhruv Vidyut Electric Conversion Kit, a solution that turns a bicycle or tricycle into an electric. But his story is much more than just tech. It's about passion, purpose, and pushing boundaries. So, without further ado, join me in welcoming the inventor, the change maker, and a true trailblazer, Guru Saurabh Singh Ji. Hello, everyone. Today we are honored. We have been joined by Gur Saurabh Singh ji, who is the founder of Dhruv Vidyut Electric Company. He's also one of the participants who was featured on Shark Tank India. And not only did he get featured, but he showed us a lot of stunts as well while demonstrating his product. So, without further ado, I would like to welcome Gur Saurabh ji on the Awakening Trail Season 2 Hustler series. Namaste, Gur Saurabh ji, and welcome to the Awakening Trail.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Priyanka. I was looking forward to this.
Lovely. So, Gur Saurabh ji, usually what I do with all my other guests is I ask the basic question, right? We start from the start, right? Because I strongly believe uh, our foundation has to do with anything that we do in our life, right? So, we are keen to know who you are or who you were as a kid. What was your childhood like? And anything that, you thought like, you're not the 9 to 5 kind of a guy. So over to you, Guru Saurabh ji.
Right. Thank you, Priyanka. I think this is probably going to be one of your podcasts which begins with a disagreement, and I think the first the first disagreement would be that I don't believe in foundations,
Okay,
and because I'll give you an example. I'll be brief in that
sure.
my journey initially when it began, like every couple of years, there's something new that I want to chase, and it never really has any connection to what was being followed before that.
Okay.
So to give you an example, when after my school had finished and my college was there, so I wanted to be a writer, and
Wow.
yeah, so my formal education for my degree is actually in literature. But then the literature thing went on for a couple of years. I chased till the point I wanted to chase, and then there was something new that I wanted to chase, and that was the world of mechanicals.
Okay.
And in between the mechanicals and the literature part was also a brief period into films and filmmaking and so on. So
Mm-hmm.
the mechanical journey began from motorcycles. It was my love for motorcycles. The love for motorcycles became traveling on motorcycles. So I have been just about every state in India. I have traveled on my motorcycle extensively, documenting the journey and traveling, or solo or in a group across India, on
Mm-hmm.
all four corners I have seen. And then later on, the love for motorcycles became love for mechanicals, and then love for mechanicals became love for machines, and love for machines became making and designing the machines, and then
Yeah.
making and designing the machines kept on growing further until I discovered that one fine day you discover that, oh, this is my career. So
Mm-hmm.
so that's what happens. Initially, like I said, this is what I believe, that foundations are, there is a certain foundation, it takes you to a certain point, but then there is a new foundation, and it's up to you. You want to lay a new foundation or you want to carry on with the old one. That's a personal choice. For me, it was more fluid in nature, and things around me, my circumstances also were conducive enough for me to keep changing my foundations. So
Yes.
once about 2019ish, somewhere in 2019, I decided that I want to go in the world of electrics.
Mhm.
because my mechanical journey and my motorcycles and designing and manufacturing parts for automobiles, and in rough, my expertise was in research and development of automotive components. So that's where I spent 16 years of my life. And after that, I wanted one more shift. I wanted to move into electric, and it was 2019 that I made a shift and I started learning what these electrics were and why exactly are they the future. And so when I was convinced that yes, this is going to be a new thing that has my interest, so my journey started on a whole new level once again. And I got into electrics, and I discovered that, well, the electric adoption will create a big impact. If everybody starts using electrics, they can create a big difference. But creating a new vehicle as opposed to upgrading the old ones, well, it makes a lot more sense. So I
Yeah.
got into something called retrofitment. What it means is, when you have an existing vehicle, you just change some components of it and convert it into electric. That's called retrofitment. CNG, for example, is one example of
Yeah.
retrofitment, that you don't
Yeah.
change the entire vehicle, you change a few components. So I started off like that, and I believe that, today, as in 2025, there's 58% of India rides on bicycles. Like, this is not a small number in a country which has the world's largest population. If
Yeah.
you're talking about 58 people traveling on a bicycle, well, let's do the math on this. How much do you think they are traveling? How far do you think they can go? What sort of access to infrastructure do you think they have? How many people can they carry? What sort of load they can carry? Their life is kind of, restricted in those 5 6 kilometers, like
Correct.
forever. And and it's not a funny story, because somebody's grandfather's story was also restricted in 5 6 kilometers. The father's story is also restricted in 5 6 kilometers. The son's story is also restricted in 5 6 kilometers. Well, we can sit and clap about it,
Yeah.
and I can say that, well, it's not really my problem, which it isn't. Um, but for me, that was, something that I felt that, I should change it, and I believe that, yes, I have the know-how to change this.
No,
So I
sir.
was like, okay, let's just do this. So the rest is the I think rest of the story we'll discuss down the line, but that kind of gives you in a nutshell, my story.
Lovely. Thank you so much for sharing, so honestly, right? Like you said that you don't believe that foundation is everything. But at the same time, I also felt after listening to you, sir, is that like, the writer in you was reflecting on Shark Tank India episode. Your pitch was really different. You spoke about uh, everything, like the airplane was built, or you gave so many references which the innovation took place in India was carried on the bicycle which you displayed there.
Yes.
So I think for that to come out, I think that writer in you was responsible, is what I strongly feel. So thank you so much for this insightful discussion. What I'll do without further discussing on this topic, I'll take you to the next journey, and which is so crucial. We'll talk about what is Dhruv Vidyut. And in fact, this name is also, I think, come from a writer's heart, is what I strongly feel. And what inspired, sir, for you to create Divik, right? I hope I've
Right.
said it right.
Yes,
Is
that
it
is correct. Yes.
all right? Perfect.
So, DVEC is an abbreviation. It stands for Dhruv Vidyut Electric Conversion Kit.
Right.
And yeah, so that's the short abbreviation is DVEC. So we did talk about, what was the reason why I thought that retrofitment is the future, and, why exactly bicycles. For what I want to do, I don't want to create one more electric product. There are plenty of electric products, there are plenty of people working on it. I'm looking at what can, I mean, are we going to see another 50 years go by and people traveling on bicycles, for the rest of their lives, and generational, basically generations and upon generations on bicycles? Or are we going to do something about it? So for me, it was simple that, okay, let's just upgrade the bicycles that are already there. Because being in business, being in automobiles, understanding how supply chains work, understanding that pushing a new product. Abhi Tesla aa gaya na? You've seen
Yeah.
that Tesla is now in India. Now
Yeah.
take a look, how many years is it going to take before it actually has an impact on the society? It takes a decade. We don't
Yeah.
have a decade. I don't have a decade.
Yeah.
I am impatient. I want quicker results. So, you choose what you feel like. That I feel that the bicycles are already there. उनके supply chains हैं, उनके service stations हैं. People are familiar with their bicycles. Bicycles are performing their jobs perfectly. हमको पूरे bicycle से problem नहीं है, उसके effort से problem है कि pedal मारना पड़ता है,
Mm.
load carry नहीं होता है, etc. We can just fix those. That's the
Yeah.
fastest way. So DWEG had to be small in size that it can be shipped over anywhere in India. आप घर बैठे हैं उसको मंगा लें and it should have a DIY approach to it. आप उसको खुद ही लगा लें. That was the first challenge, that how do we make it so small? And then more than being small, it needs to be, see, in India, we don't have a DIY culture. आपने
Yeah.
भी कितने टीवी उठा के लगा लिए, कितने एसी आपने खुद लगा लिए. Nobody does that. We
नहीं.
all, I mean, in fact, I don't do it, by the way. I
नहीं,
always,
I think majorly people in India are not wired that way. So you're right
correct,
in what you're
correct.
saying. Yeah.
I mean, even I don't do it. I wait for, technician to come,
Yeah.
and because question is not why, but the question is why not. I mean, let somebody else do it.
Yeah.
So for some, so to introduce a product like this, which is slightly technical, even though it is DIY, हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? How can we make it so simple that it just goes and bolts in, and then it performs its job perfectly? And now it has to go on a bicycle, and bicycles are very sturdy, and they are used in rugged conditions. So this product needs to match that.
Yeah.
बारिश में, धूप में, हर तरह की कंडीशन में कैसे भी रखा है, तो it should be something that is maintenance free. Now, there are many challenges that happen. The market that we are trying to enter is a very cost sensitive market. That creates problems. We don't have, we can, अभी 5-6 हजार का bicycle है, how much do you think you can push somebody to
Yeah.
buy an upgrade? Then अलग अलग addresses, अलग अलग locations. गुवाहाटी में भी हमारे customers हैं, राजस्थान में भी हैं, जम्मू में भी हैं, त्रिवेंद्रम में भी हैं. So to maintain those sort of logistics, that was one thing. uh, Overall design part, coming back when it was on the drawing board, that it needs to be simple, it needs to be affordable, and it needs to have a bolt-on feature to it. अब वो बोलने में बहुत easy लगता है, but when you have to execute it and design it, it becomes very challenging. So
Of
that was the
course.
first and foremost challenge. And like I said, when we talked about foundations, see, each foundation, when you move to a different foundation, there are pros and cons of it. The price that you pay is that you just have to start the whole journey again. You have to put the hustle again. You have to learn everything from scratch. Every time I changed my foundation or took on a new career, I had to start off from scratch.
Yeah.
From books which were read in school and college, you start over it again. But the good part of it is that you don't forget your old foundation. It also stays. There's something new
Yeah.
that comes in. So
Yeah.
for me, the way it was helping, because of my mechanical career into motorcycles and into designing, that really helped me, because I knew how to design, I knew how to manufacture, I knew how to cut costs, I knew how to design things to cut cost. लोगों को लगता है कि शायद प्राइस कम है तो क्वालिटी कम करने से प्राइस कम हो जाता है, या कुछ करने
Um,
से. ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्वालिटी से 5, 2, 3, 4% एट द मोस्ट 5% का डिफरेंस पड़ता है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. उससे ज्यादा जब आप करते हो तो डिजाइन से होता है. दैट कांट बी, okay, what can we do? Can we remove components out of it? Can we use different components? Can we experiment with different newer technologies which are cheaper and affordable? Yeah, R&D, those trials, that takes on time, but you can do it. So that was the whole, in a nutshell, that's what had happened. That I had an idea, I had the basic parameters on what the product needs to do and how we need to manufacture the products. And once you move on a journey like this, always understand that you will never ever have the answers. So it's more
yeah.
like walking in the dark, just having, yeah, I know enough. And I often say this to myself: I know everything, I know enough. For my next step, I don't know need to know anything. I must take a step.
Hmm.
So in a situation like this, if we try and find answers, that has a more like a paralysis, because there are so many questions, there's so many things that you don't know about. कैसे होगा, नहीं होगा, लोगों को क्या समझ आएगी. One way of dealing with it is you just take a step. I know it is easy to say that, but that somewhat works for me.
Gursaurabji, thank you so much for sharing this because I think it is very important. This kind of mindset is very, very crucial, right? For today's youth who is also trying to walk the path on the same path like what you have, taken so far, like walking in the dark, right? Or taking entrepreneurship is as good as walking in the dark. They don't know what is next or what is ahead of them. So people like you are, I think, building their confidence and giving them that trust. And yeah, it's okay. You can do it. So that is really awesome. Another thing is, what was the logic behind naming it as Dhruv Vidyut?
Oh yeah. So it's interesting. You know, uh,
It's sorry, it's a very interesting name, I must say that, because I am a marketer myself. I've spent 19 years in the industry in marketing, B2B marketing, and
right.
I can definitely connect to this name. So what was the logic, sir, behind this?
Well, it's not that complicated. I'm a very stubborn person. Probably you can make that out by now. So, when I fix my mind on something, it takes time. I don't hover very quickly, but once I do, then it's just impossible for me to change my mind. Then it
Yeah,
has to happen, and it has to happen. I mean, end of the story. There is, full stop.
yeah.
So Dhruv is something that from my child, I am like that, from as far as I remember, my behavior has been like that.
Uh-huh.
So Dhruv is something I relate to. Dhruv is actually the pole star.
Yeah.
Uh,
Love
so
that.
so it is immovable. It doesn't move. It just stays. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't care. Doesn't give a shit about what's being said or not. It just stays where it wants to stay, and it's just there, and take it or leave it kind of thing. And so Dhruv was something that always fascinated, and
Yeah.
so that was the selection for Dhruv. And Vidyut, of course, is electric, and the whole combination was Hindi, and it is more relatable. I always wanted a true Hindi name
Yeah.
because one, it is relatable instead of naming something
Yeah.
Western. Nothing against Western terms, it's just not relatable for me. That is one. And second, more into viable options. Well, easily getting trademarks and easily getting registered with Hindi names is a lot easier. I mean, it's pretty ironic that in India, Hindi names
I know.
Hindi names get you easy registration. So think about it.
Yeah. No, it is also important, right? Sticking to your own traditions,
Yes.
sticking to your roots. So I mean, that's really a great thought, sir. And yes, I definitely agree with you. It is more relatable. And the name itself, right? It talks about Dhruv Electric. So it is more, close to our heart, and everybody can follow it, right from uh, very far in the remote areas to the metro cities. So
Correct.
awesome, awesome. So, my next question now to you is, what were early days like, right? You said that it wasn't easy. You spoke about the design, you spoke about, making sure that it is easily shipped as well to different location, different parts of India. And you talked about 58% being the number of Indian population, which is a very huge number, uh, being riding bicycles, and you wanted to make their life easy. So what were the early days like? And then did you face any skepticism while you thought about, doing this, right? Any
Right.
resistance from maybe from somebody from your home? Like there is a possibility. What was your family's reaction when you decided to do this?
Right. Right. There are, see, in any which way, once you start something like this, of course there are many challenges that come and go.
Yeah, yeah.
And Priyanka, one thing before even we talk about challenges is, it is very, I call it toxic positivity. It's
Wow.
around, it's all
Yeah.
around us that never be afraid of challenges, and challenges come and go, and yada 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 and bullshit like that. Whereas the truth of the matter is that facing challenges, is very, it takes a lot of effort, and it takes a lot of conviction, and at times, like I said, you need to be stubborn,
Yeah.
just because the challenge is not going to go away. It is there. There is no positive thing coming out of it. Challenges never made me stronger. Challenges never taught me anything positive. They just hurt. Simple as that. So So
I'm really liking the way, you're putting things forward, right? It's also a different perspective to look at things. So I'm glad that I am having this conversation, and I'm confident people like me and every other person, who is going to listen to this is going to benefit out of it, because I'm enjoying it. And at the same time, it is kind of an eye opener as well. Sorry,
okay,
sir.
yeah,
Continue.
I'm glad somebody's liking it. Because we now live in a world which is, like I said, it's bullshit toxic positivity, which
Yeah.
is you keep negating, okay, the things that bother you. वो exist ही नहीं करते हैं. Challenges, oh no no no, उससे तो वो तो हो जाएगा. Be positive, negativity, depression, no, don't think about it. You can do this, you can do that. ऐसा नहीं है. It's absolutely not like that. And nothing new you learn. After a certain point, a challenge comes in, it teaches you nothing new. There is no, Cinderella story at the end of things. There's nothing. There's a challenge, a setback, sadness, it comes and it hurts. It's as simple as that. But
Yeah.
the reason why I brought this up is that the way you have to see it is that, look, a champion is somebody who tells you that how quickly do you bounce off challenges, how
Hmm.
quickly did you bounce off setbacks, how quick was this process for you. जितना जितना आप आगे चलते जाएंगे, the more of a champion pedigree that you will develop, it will be this parameter. That problem आई थी, वो बहुत परेशान हुए, फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ, right?
Mm.
How
Yeah.
much of a hit can you take? And the hit is going to be severe. It is simple as that. So when you talk about skepticism, of course it exists, and forget about other people. You start self contradicting that, am I doing the right thing?
Yeah.
Am I on the right path any which way? In fact, that feeling I have even today. I mean, yeah, exactly. That I've
Mhm.
spent in 6 years here, right?
Yeah.
And I am a fairly talented guy. I could have done something else, maybe, and is it all worth it? And
Yeah.
that is a question that I'm not just saying it just out of the blue. This bothers me every single day, and I really don't have an answer to it. But you learn to live with this. So so you know uh, uh, we often talk about this ke youth ko kya karna chahiye, students ko kya karna chahiye. To be very honest, Priyanka, this is too difficult. It takes a lot of experience to reach this point where you learn how to deal with challenges and these setbacks, and you come back over and over and over again and be stubborn. That
Yeah.
is one mindset. Second is, not everybody gets these sort of circumstances that I have.
Yeah.
I'm a very privileged person. Family has been very supportive. During my years of research, which was 3 years, I was without an income. I कौन सा मतलब मैं कोई मरा नहीं जा रहा था, right? I could afford to be without an income for
Yeah.
3 years and do this. So for
Mm.
me to say this, that believe in yourself, never give up and bullshit like that, I'm like, how can I ever say this? I can't. So you see, my opinion is very different. That you want to choose a path of your creation, that it's going to take a very long time and it's going to take a lot of effort. So you first put your math together, that can you or can you not survive for 2 or 3 years without any external support. Is it
Yeah.
possible? So if you think it is difficult in your circumstances, maybe this path is going to be extra challenging for you. So that is point number one that I would begin with. If, for example, you're fortunate enough that you can pursue your career of your choice, then be ready for multiple setbacks. And the way you prepare yourself is that you first anticipate what are the setbacks and what are going to be your plan B and C. मतलब कैसे
Mm.
कैसे क्या क्या करना है. There's always, a sense of, see, even in surrendering and even in retreat, there is a pattern and there is a plan. Always have multiple plans कि ये हो जाएगा तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ये हो जाएगा तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं. And this is how you very calculatively move ahead. So I again, I keep repeating myself by saying that I know how easy this sounds, because I am trying to compress 6 of my last
Yes.
experience into 2 or 3 lines. And again, it sounds like the same bullshit toxic positivity that I hate. But there is no other way of conveying that what I wish to say. So it
Yeah.
is, so to just to give you a synopsis of it, that it is going, if you want to do your own thing, if you want to go your own path, well, it's going to be difficult. Just be prepared and be at, at stubborn level, that I am not going to quit no matter what happens. And when I
Yeah.
say no matter what, make a list of 10 things that you think that can make you quit.
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट उसको पेपर पे नहीं लिख सकते हो अगर, maybe you're not ready. So yeah, that's in a nutshell what I want to say.
That's wonderful, in fact, right? I think every individual is unique and every individual's journey is going to be unique. So it is very well said, sir. And I also feel that what I really liked about whatever you just shared right now is, as you are using the word being stubborn or being as stable as the Dhruv Tara in the North Pole. And believing in yourself, and as you rightly said, if you're not able to put it down on piece of paper, if you're not able, if you think that managing yourself to chase your dream for next 2 3 years is going to be difficult, then maybe take a pause, rethink on it, or revisit it maybe little later in the years, right? So
Absolutely.
that's great, that's great, right? And that this is what I like interacting with uh, guests like you, because that gives so much different perspective, right? I've never I've done what 16 episodes in season 1, and another 4 5 in season 2 have been recorded, right? So around 20 individuals have met through the Awakening Trail, and your story really inspires me in a very different way, is what I must admit. uh,
Thank you.
Sir, I've gone through the viral video of yours,
Yes.
which was featured on Shark Tank India too, and even as I said, I was totally impressed with your Shark Tank India pitch as well, and it was widely appreciated across different platforms. So,
Right.
while you were there in front of sharks, right? What was going through your mind, right, during that moment? How was it? What was the feeling?
Got it. Got it. I think, I so one thing is that before we go into the business side of Shark Tank. See, Shark Tank is a platform that gives you massive publicity, okay? Marketing,
Yeah.
advertising, it gives you a space which you just can't buy. A startup cannot buy
Yeah.
exposure like that. So once I had the opportunity, I did understand, okay, what the potential it has.
Yeah.
And the opportunity came at a point where the company was at a very, very nascent stage. We had just finished the prototyping. We were in between testing. So technically, if you see that, that is not a time where you go and raise money. I mean,
Mm.
nobody gives you money on a prototype. और मेरा idea है कि ऐसा हो जाएगा. Nobody cares about your ideas. But I knew the potential that it has. So for
Yeah.
me, it was a very honest thing that, look, I am a design guy, I am an R&D guy. If somehow you reckon with what I am doing, that this thing can bring an impact, then let me continue with my journey in R&D. And why don't you guys bring in a little bit of your expertise, which I still say is the easy part, uh, of marketing and selling and accounting and billing and so on, and the other aspects of a company, and we can take this big. And it was, like I say, the way I'm saying it now, it was as simple as that, that can this be done. I don't care कि पहले ऐसे Shark Tank में कभी हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, but this is I think that this is a viable option.
Yeah.
So I went in there, and the rest you already seen. I cannot repeat more, that I'm stubborn and tend to get aggressive sometimes.
Yeah.
So वो हो जाता है टीवी पे. And of course, see, Shark Tank needs to compete with what? After all, it's a TV show, okay?
Yeah.
So it needs
Yeah.
to compete with what? It needs to compete with other TV shows, which are Saas Bahu, which is Big Boss, and which is Nudity and whatever it is.
Masala.
So
The masala.
masala. सो मसाला ही मसाले से compete कर सकता है. देखो, नहीं करोगे तो बंद हो जाएगा वो. ठीक है.
True. True that. Yeah.
तो दे नीड तो थिंक अबाउट इट. वो इतना म्यूजिक है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? हम बात करते हैं कि वहां कोई ऑर्केस्ट्रा बैठा होता है बजाने के लिए, उसको वो सब बाद में डाला जाता है.
सही.
वो कभी स्क्रिप्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं होती, बिकॉज एडिट पूरा आपके हाथ में होता है. तो अगर आपके पास एडिट है, आप कुछ भी करके कैसे भी उसको दिखाइए. किसी को
Mm.
पहले दिखाइए, किसी को बाद में दिखाइए. क्वेश्चन आया तो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन
Yeah.
to drama, to make that drama, to and that's a good drama. Basically, at the end of the
Yes.
story, Did I not manage to get my word out? Did people not manage to see me? So out of the many challenges that a startup like mine was facing, at least one challenge got eliminated, which was marketing and advertising. Now people knew
Absolutely.
what the product is. In fact, we are talking today because you must have seen me somewhere
Yeah.
around there. सो चलो एक चीज हुई वहां पे, हाँ ऑफ कोर्स द रिस्क, लाइक आई से कि रिस्क होता है बहुत बड़ा कि व्हाट हैपेंस इफ इफ थिंग्स डोंट गो माय वे, द वे द फाउंडर्स आर ट्रीटेड, इट्स लाइक आई सेड, वो ड्रामा का कॉस्ट है. सो इफ यू lose your pitch, if you miss a beat, if you skip a beat somewhere, well then the judges or the sharks or whatever they are called, wo thoda sa they cut you down, they make more drama out of it, and that is a cost which every single contestant faces and needs to pay. So
Yeah.
everybody wants a platform like that, but when they think about the outcomes that can happen, which have the 50% probability of happening, uh, do we are we willing to pay this cost? Well, this is like this is actually in relation to the previous question that we were discussing. You ask anybody, you want to be on Shark Tank? Yes. But then would you want to be if I guarantee that it's going to be humiliation for you? No. Well, this is where a champion comes in, and this is where a belief in your own product, not delusional belief but a real belief, helps you. So I knew my product is there. I knew the problem it is solving. I have talked to 1,000 people before coming here. Okay, I know what I am doing, and I am not faking it.
Yeah.
So, and uh, if I am saying this, that look, I lack in these aspects, but these are my skill set. Well, what are you going to talk about now?
Yeah.
So, and these are the things you tell yourself to prepare yourself. And of course, we are not actors. उतने सब माहौल में and उतने सब में, you there is a possibility that you'd end up maybe stepping on somebody's toe, or maybe things don't go in your favor, but उतना रिस्क लेना पड़ता है, and आप लेते रहते हो उससे पहले भी, तो you kind of used to कि ठीक है देखी जाएगी क्या होता. So that was what had happened, and I was glad that I was able to convince three of the five
Yeah.
judges there, and yeah, so I'm what can I say, I'm very happy. Even today I keep getting messages, we have zero marketing budget, and so even today that helps. So yeah, so it is, I couldn't I can't complain, it was fun.
Nice, interesting. And I think this is something was common in on the conversation that I had before for every person who pitched at Shark Tank, right? Uh, Marketing being one of the aspects, or advertising being, one of the benefits that their organization or that their brand had benefited with. Uh,
Yes,
so, so definitely that's there. I mean, I can totally relate to what you're saying, and then that comes with drama as well. So I think you have to take it with some pinch of salt, and then accept it that this is what is going to happen when if you are at this platform, right? After
correct,
all, I think it has also reached, thanks to technology today. I think it is reached on mobile devices too, so
of
it
course,
become easy. Like everybody is accessing it, and I'm confident that it is giving a lot of confidence, lot of inspiration. Like I've been in the IT industry for so many years, but then if I look at Shark Tank, if I hear one pitch or many pitches that happens on the season, it gives a different inspiration. And even back
correct,
then, when Shark Tank was not part of India or was not in India,
yes,
we used to definitely, me and Suchak used to definitely watch Shark Tank, right? Because it definitely gives you different perspective. You get to know what is happening around the world. You get to know, there are so many people who are with that jazba, right? To create
correct.
innovation, and India definitely is not behind, right? So correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think you're a technology guy, right? You are a design guy, you are a great writer, is I can definitely say that. So you don't come from a tech background.
I'll answer your question in two parts. The
Sure.
first part was that yeah, of course, the technical background isn't there, but just like technical background, many other things are missing. I'm
Yeah.
a very incomplete person in that manner. But down the line, you learn how to fake things. So fake technical knowledge, faking many things, faking confidence, faking technical knowledge, faking the know-how, faking the demeanor. Many things you learn, and that really helps. So please go ahead and try faking things. It's awesome. That is one. And
I must just pause you here in the interest of listeners, right? Maybe there are some few young listeners. So I just want to say what Sir or Gur Saurabh ji is trying to say. Fake it in a positive way. The way we heard from him, positive toxicity. I'm saying that, you take it with a positive approach, right? Many a times, like for example, I'll take one simple example. Let's say if you go for a debate competition, for example, and then you're not ready for it. You have a stage fear for any reasons. Fake the confidence there. That's what he's trying to convey here. Over to
Well,
you, sir.
since we are at that topic,
Yeah,
see, okay. I mean, let's talk about the art of faking for a second, and then we can move on to
sure,
the second thing. Yeah.
sure,
See,
sure.
the one faking is when I say faking, okay. We live in a world which is different now. You can't fake things like and believe that, oh, the results are going to be in your favor
Hmm.
unless you are really good at faking. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So be really, really good at faking. And when I say be really, really good at faking, what it means is that if you first recognize that, look, I lack here, okay, and
Hmm.
this is a domain. If I get pulled into that domain, I will end up losing. First of
Yeah.
all, stick to your domains and don't engage into domains that are not your domains. That is one way of let's say, but in some cases you get there. Learn debating skills and learn how to wiggle yourself out. That is
Yeah,
also a part of faking. When I
yeah.
say faking, how do you get in a situation like this? How do you fake it? How do you do this? These are things which you learn in debating. See, you are going to get in trouble only when you're going to talk to somebody, or you're expressing yourself, or you are portraying yourself. When I say faking, don't look at it as a negative connotation.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
about
That's what I meant.
pretending, or how about the aspirational side of it? Well, suddenly it sounds nice then, but what I'm saying is recognize what your shortcomings are and
Yeah.
don't let them hold you back. Learn a little bit, and then the rest, have your charisma take care of that, and learn how to develop that. Those are basic techniques. The payment technique is there. I don't want to digress and go into all of that, but don't look at it as is in a negative manner.
All right. Sir, thank you so much. I think our conversation is quite interesting and it's very different with your personality, with your viewpoints. As I earlier mentioned, that, there is something new about this conversation and I'm definitely enjoying it. There's a new perspective to overall how do we look at success, failures, challenges. Yeah. Now, my next question is, sir, guys like me who are not from technology background, how what would you tell us? How would you explain what DWAKE is?
Well, it's very simple actually. The product, the application is so simple that
Yeah.
there is this device that bolts onto any bicycle, and then the bicycle becomes an electric bicycle. It runs for 40 kilometers. It gives you a payload capacity of 170 kilos, which is more than two people, and it goes. The top speed is at 25 kilometers an hour. So it makes your bicycle more or less like a motorcycle. That's
वाओ!
that's it.
सर आपको कोई थ्रेट कॉल्स तो नहीं आया ना बाइक वाली कंपनियों से?
Actually, as a
ऑन अ
matter of
लाइटर नोट
fact, I will share every now and that I do get. I will share. That is true. There's a whole
इज़
selection.
इट?
Oh yeah, there is this whole. And I have a folder in which I keep all those screenshots. So I'll share. There's probably 100 screenshots like that.
रियली? I just asked you out of curiosity. I didn't believe
Seriously,
it.
my sister, she's very concerned. So
Obviously.
yeah, so वो भेजते रहते हैं क्या चलो रख लेते हैं इसको.
Oh my God. Hats off to you, sir. In spite of so much, you're still, up stubborn rahe. And I think that's the quality is what I can understand. Why you insist on being stubborn because I didn't expect this. And I wish that, you come out of this, you don't get threats anymore. But I was just like, just casually I asked. I didn't expect that it will be true. I'm still in shock.
No, there's nothing shocking about it. It's a lot of it is bullshit. See, वो भेजना थ्रेड ये कर देंगे ऐसा हो जाएगा मतलब वो I've heard it 10,000 different times. Right? I'm not a
Yeah.
hard man to find. So
Yeah. Oh, all right. I'll now move to the little emotional part or personal part of it. Sir, you spoke about 58% number. All that is true, right? There are that's the market that we are looking at. But आपकी बाइक और सॉरी बाइसाइकिल पे ही क्यों नजर
right. Yes,
व्हाई
yes, yes.
इट अट्रैक्टेड यू कि व्हाई बाइसाइकिल कोई पर्सनल स्टोरी है या कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है
राइट, आई थिंक बाइसाइकिल कभी भी मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट कभी भी नहीं था. बाइसाइकिल वाज नेवर माय थिंग, एंड motorcycle were my thing. Yes, so for a motorcycle guy, the when I was thinking that, okay, there needs to be a retrofit kit and everything, the smallest application was always a scooter, because for me the world ended at scooters. There was nothing smaller than a scooter, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it was during Corona that initially from 2019 till 2020, my first design was actually a scooter. So I worked on
Oh,
a scooter and the scooter device, and 1 year I spent. I developed the complete device, and this was the beginning of 2020 that the device was done. We were doing testing. हम लोग Bangalore में थे. We did our whole testing and everything, and I got to Delhi in February 2020, and so Corona happened. The first Corona,
yeah.
the first lockdown. तो वो क्या था कि बस I just thought कि चलो बैंगलोर से आया हूँ, let me just spend a couple of days at my farm. A friend of mine was with me here, so we'll spend few days and then we'll go back to work. We got here in March, and the moment we got here, after a couple of days, the first lockdown happened.
Yeah.
That was a very unique period for everybody, especially for me. I work in a very sequential manner. Things are planned. Okay, ये करना है, फिर ऐसे होना है, फिर ऐसे. Whereas there is no room for something like a lockdown. I mean, what are we supposed to do now? So then all of a sudden there was a lot of chaos happening at that time, the first one. And so this was the time I was stuck here at my farm, and this was the longest time I had spent here. Usually you spend a week or 10 days and then you go back to your grind. That was a part where you have a whole different perspective on things.
Yeah.
When you are in a grind, it's very difficult.
Yeah.
That sometimes these ideas and sometimes these your visions, they need, जैसे जैसे छोटा सा कोई plant nurture होता है ना, they need an
Yeah.
environment. If your mind is in a grind, a new idea can never come in.
So
This
true.
is one of the reasons why younger children, perhaps in schools, have much better ideas, because उनका बहुत ही wild होता है imagination. So I got here, and then then you get a while to think about everything, and then you look around. वो बहुत quick माहौल चल रहा था. People were suffering. So where I live is, it is a small village in Haryana. There's about 1,800 people in it. It's in the heartland of actual rural Haryana.
Okay.
So you look around here, and it was kind of, you can say, kind of embarrassing that for me to notice that how many people are riding bicycles, because उससे पहले तक तो, like the way you see things around you, you see people begging on the streets, you see children in worse conditions, you see but you don't see. They are there,
Mm.
but they are invisible, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So these were all invisible people. I mean, and 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 I come from rural also, so हमारे वो रहता है कि यार, if somebody is underprivileged, उसके बहुत सारे फायदे भी होते हैं. There's a very large population which wants to stay underprivileged. They don't want to come out. We can talk about it later. उससे बहुत सारे benefits, बहुत सारी subsidies, बहुत सारे ये मनरेगा मिलता है, राशन कार्ड, etc., etc. So you have
Mm-hmm.
this notion that I don't have sympathy per se. But it was during this time that it occurred to me that these are the people on bicycles. इनकी क्या मतलब? What do you think? What are we expecting out of this? Why are they on a bicycle? This is not a choice. Like, a bicycle costs 4,000. अभी एक्टिवा और स्प्लेंडर अभी 1 लाख का हो गया है. What are they
Yeah.
supposed to do? I mean, take a 20-fold jump and buy something like that. That
Mm.
can we do? Can I do this? Like, currently, if I have a car worth X amount, can I take a 20-fold jump? If I have a house, can I take a 20? I can't. Nobody can. I then I started looking deeper into it, because I had time and this was the place and there was nothing else to do. And it occurred, more I researched, the more I found out कि क्या उनके issues हैं. Then it's just like, see, it's so obvious now, but for me, like I said, that it occurred to me in 2020 that the real change that I am thinking about needs to happen on bicycles. It cannot happen on scooters or anything.
Yeah.
Bicycles के numbers क्या हैं? Nobody had the data. Once we started finding the data, it was astonishing. I mean, you're looking at 58% of India, the world's largest population, still on bicycles. तो क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, क्या आप बात कर रहे हो? आप सिटी में
Yeah.
कुछ भी बना दोगे, कोई जा ही नहीं पाएगा वहां तक. तो क्या पॉइंट है बना के? Every single day I used to see children. This was post corona. So corona was like the seed, okay? वो plant हो जाता है, then you start thinking about it. Every single day you see children there, वो खड़े हैं बस स्टॉप पे, बस by the way बस स्टैंड नहीं है हमारे यहाँ. We are that
Hmm.
uh, even though we are like just 3 hours from Delhi. So वो सुबह खड़े हैं कि somebody may drop them to school. Now think about it.
Yeah.
What are
Yeah.
we expecting from these children? They'll be scholars. They'll be toppers. Will they'll have entrepreneurship? They'll have something? No, never. 80% of these kids will won't go to school because even I won't go to school if this is going to be the condition that I need to face every day in winters and in summers. So what are we talking about? It was like an eye opener for me, um,
Yeah.
and it was kind of embarrassing that I had been seeing this. I'm not from Japan or something. तो मुझको पता ही नहीं है यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. It was like that कि अरे यार ये तो हो रहा है मेरे सामने. And but it was a very probably I believe that आपके सबके लाइफ में ना एक या दो टाइम आते हैं जब बहुत क्रिटिकल डिसीजन लेते हो आप. वो ज्यादा
Yeah.
नहीं आते हैं, एक या दो ही आते हैं.
सही है, सही है.
Probably that was the first one for me.
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
what am I going to do now? Because I have already spent an year in developing a certain thing. That is my area. That is my R&D. That is my career. अभी ये साइकिल वाइकल कहाँ, मतलब how do I do this now? And for somebody who's listening right now, cycle is becomes more complicated because in a scooter you have a form factor of an engine of a scooter. कि भैया ऐसे. In a cycle it's like a blank canvas.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
for a designer, then the work amplifies a lot because
Yeah.
अब वो शुरू से एकदम उसको मैनेज करना है आपको. So those were the challenges, and I know those challenges are there, and I know those challenges are going to take X number of months. I know what the prototyping is going to be. इसका testing क्या होगा. I know the bullshit I am signing up for. इसको करना है कि नहीं करना है, दैट वाज द क्वेश्चन. सो अगर वो कोरोना नहीं आया होता एंड द एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट आई हैड अराउंड कोरोना वो नहीं हुए होते तो मैं कभी भी नहीं करता. इट वाज जस्ट दैट आई ओपनर देयर.
Yeah.
एंड देन आई लाइक आई सेड आई the data was there, and I was convinced that this, for what I want to do, this is going to be a more of a effective, much more effective tool, bicycle, than anything else. Now, should I do it for the hustle I know that it's going to bring in for the next few years? Well, then after months of an internal debate that करें कि नहीं करें, then ठीक है, let's do this. And I actually underestimated, by the way, of the time it's going to take and the hustle it will take. And let me also bring this up since we are at that topic. If somebody wants to be a so-called problem solver, innovator, and
Yeah.
all of that,
Yeah.
solve. Please do never solve problem for poor people. Solve problems for rich people because
Oh my God.
yes, it pays really well. Because at
Yeah.
the end of the day, see, my split has now be not now basically it reached, like for example when you talk about Shark Tank, right? I was at a crossroad. Now,
Mhm.
crossroad, like, see, I have been celebrated as an inventor or as a R&D person multiple times. Look at the wall behind me. So,
Yeah.
uh, ab, I want to go into entrepreneurship where I know nothing. Probably a MBA student, first year student will have more knowledge than I do. Now, what
Mhm.
do I do? Do I continue my life as an inventor and an R&D person, or do I make that shift? So if I want to continue my life as an inventor, this product goes somewhere and you give me the medal and then I'm done. मेरा काम हो
Yeah.
गया, अब आप देखो क्या करना है. Implementation is not my skill set.
Mm.
Nobody will do that for you. This is what I learned the hard way. Nobody. You'll have to take it all the way till the end. If it means you shifting your gears and becoming an entrepreneur, well, that is what it takes. Once the moment you talk about implementation, it also means money. Nothing can happen without money, and poor people problem don't have money.
Yeah.
That is the reason why 50 years nobody cared. And वो अगले भी यही होने वाला है. So if you are getting something new कुछ कर रहे हो ना, तो solve problems for richer people. They will have money. The problems will be fancier, and there's nothing bad about it. So yeah, that's my suggestion. So that's a challenge that I am facing, and currently we will keep facing for a while. But like I said, that's I know this and I've signed up for this. So yeah.
I mean, I will also look at it little slightly differently. maybe, government should intervene and, try to, the way government is providing subsidies for many other,
Government, see,
innovations.
it's like I always call it like goal shifting. Now, like for me, I was shifting the priority, या let's say कि shifting the goal कि भैया मैं तो inventor हूँ, या आप कर लो, right? The government ऐसा नहीं है कि I haven't approached anybody or we haven't been in interaction with everybody. The government has different priorities, right?
Yeah.
This is, see, poor people are not a priority. I mean,
Yeah, but
look around
no, no.
yourself. AI currently,
That's true, sir. But I'm sorry, I'm cutting you in between. But
please,
it is
please.
thanks to people like you, who thought about them, right? After all, somebody has to also look at them and, uplift them from their misery or challenges that they are facing. Like, after all, the number is not small. It's like
No,
58% of
it's
Hamari Abadi.
India doesn't have a dearth of people like me or like people like you or people who are trying to see. Don't misunderstand me. What I am saying is, you want to get into this domain of solving problem for the masses. Then Indian
Yeah,
masses
yeah.
average income आप देखो कहाँ है. They qualify as poor, basically poor when I,
Correct.
not in figurative term, in economic term के $2 के नीचे कमाते हैं, etc etc.
Yeah,
आपको ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है तो प्लीज एक्सेप्ट द चैलेंजेस दैट कम विद दिस.
got it. Hmm.
इट्स नॉट दैट यू कैन नॉट डू दिस और कोई लोग कर नहीं रहे, बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. लुक अराउंड यू, एवरीबडी नोज ऑफ पीपल, बट दे कम विद अ सेट ऑफ challenges. So I can do something, the government can take over, it doesn't happen. I can do something, industrialists can take over, doesn't happen. So ये
Hmm.
challenge आएंगे after you have
उसकी तैयारी
discovered कि
रखो.
ये, this is what I initially said कि आप जब चलने लगते हैं, और ये जो सेटबैक है मेरे लिए अभी कितना इजी है, गवर्नमेंट कुछ करती नहीं है, बंद कर देते हैं इसको, आई एम
Hmm.
स्टिल बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड, दैट्स फाइन. बट
Yeah,
मेरा माय इंटेंशन वाज दैट लुक आई नीड टू टेक इट ऑल द वे, एंड दीज आर द सेट ऑफ चैलेंजेस जो आने वाले हैं. आई वी नीड टू फाइंड अ ब्रेक थ्रू, फाइंड अ ब्रेक थ्रू, फाइंड अ ब्रेक थ्रू, कुछ 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 कैसे कर सकते हैं, ऐसे करें वैसे करें, एंड दैट हसल is now not a hustle of the design or my,
yeah,
it's a whole new hustle which which
correct,
which you and I or any other startup is facing na. So I am also new in this domain, but let's do this, this is what I meant. So
correct. Got
if
you.
somebody has a choice, this is a very very difficult path. Choose
Yeah,
a easier path if this is going to be your probably your first path. Don't get into solving problems for the masses. अब don't misunderstand me. I'm just giving you a clearer picture कि इसमें challenges बहुत ज्यादा है.
right. So maybe, prepare yourself to embrace these kind of challenges in case if you are doing something for a greater good or a social cause, right? It will
Correct.
come with its own challenges. So now, like, I think we spoke about what DVEC is. We talk about your ideology behind naming the company as Dhruv Electric. Uh, Now, like, would you like to help us understand where all it has reached? Like, we talked about masses, it is being difficult to reach them. So now, what is it like? How many lives it has changed or it has
Of course.
impacted? What do you
Right.
have that kind of data after the prototype is now being launched in the market?
Right. I think a product like DVEC, the applications are wide. So DVEC works with anything that has pedals. You're talking about
Okay.
bicycles, you're talking about tricycles, you're talking about boats, you're talking about many other applications that it can power. So there are multiple different industries altogether. We had our pilots run across. Initially, we did not go into retail sales because retail sales, like I said, are the difficult part.
Yeah.
um, and B2B is comparatively easier to handle for a startup.
Okay. Okay.
So we had this vision, and initially we piloted and partnered with the Indian Army. They were the first ones who piloted, who kind of collaborated with us and piloted. We had our pilot projects with them for tricycles as well as bicycles. That went on really well. That gave us a lot of confidence that yes, this is a good product. Then we worked with the Ice Cream Association of India. You see those ice cream vans all
Yeah.
across.
Yeah.
The ice cream carts, I'm sorry, the ice cream
Yeah.
pedal carts. वो इतने भारी हो जाते हैं कि यू कैन नॉट पेडल, तो वो एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है इंडस्ट्री की कि उसको क्या करें. So that went on really well. Food carts went on really well. Food carts generated so much employment for people. One food cart now, the one we have provided, provides employment for 5 people. So it's a good thing that that was something really well. We began our retail sales last year. We up till now in our retail sales, I think it's going really well. Sometimes some people, they send you their videos, they send you your photos, they send you their stories. Huh? We get stories from all across India. I mean, कुछ कुछ एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं जो इवन आई कांट इमेजिन कि अच्छा ऐसा भी हो रहा है।
Huh.
हाँ, तो देर आर पोस्ट, जैसे पोस्टमैन है, कितने
Right.
सारे हमको मैसेजेस भेजते हैं। एक देयर इज अ मैसेज आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि यार मैं को पहले जाता था तो मेरे सर में इतनी धूप लगती थी कि मैं कर
Mm-hmm.
ही नहीं पाता था। आजकल जो है दैट इज अ लॉट इजियर। सो
Wow.
ग्रेट। सम की चिल्ड्रन सेंड मैसेजेस कि मेरे मेरे डैड को मैंने गिफ्ट किया था, उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत डांटा ये कि तुम ये, बट नाउ ही लव्स इट बिकॉज कितने लोग ये डालते हैं कि
Mm-hmm.
जो जो लोग जैसे जो हमारा एक ये है ना अपना ट्रेडिशनल साइकिल है जिसको गांधी साइकिल बोलते हैं, काला
हाँ
घोड़ा बोलते
पता
हैं,
है
बेसिक साइकिल। सो
पता है.
इसकी इसका इसका बैठने का स्टांस और इसका ना बहुत कंफर्टेबल होता है।
हम्म.
आप जो भी नए साइकिल्स आ रहे हैं, दे हैव अ मोर अग्रेसिव स्टांस, मोर फॉर स्पोर्टिंग।
या.
somebody who's into later life, I mean they prefer कि कुछ रिलैक्स सा साइकिल हो। एंड इसके जैसा साइकिल अभी नहीं है मार्केट में, सो दे गेट वेरी यूज्ड टू दिस। अब उनके
हम्म.
लिए इवन दो द चिल्ड्रन आर रेडी टू बाय कि यू बाय एक्टिवा और समथिंग, बट a cycle is still a cycle, a scooter is
या.
much heavier, bigger, वो comfortable, and they don't want to upgrade. They can upgrade but they don't want to upgrade. So for many messages they come across here, I got this for my dad and now he's so happy and we are so happy that he gets to ride his bicycle, and then
या.
we are happy that he doesn't need to pedal. There are
हम्म.
like, I can go on, I mean there are hundreds of messages like that. There's a guy in Mumbai, he sent me a message, his father's bicycle was there, it was the last memory he had. So उसको
हम्म.
पूरा उसको रिस्टोर करा के उसको, he put this in, he sent me pictures, he did a whole photo shoot about it. बहुत
वाओ.
सब सेंटिमेंटल वैल्यूज हैं, बहुत जगह पे कहीं वैल्यू एडिशन होता है। देयर इज अ फार्मर हियर आई नो, मेरे ही फार्म पे बगल में ही रहते हैं। तो यार वो बोलते हैं यार मेरे को एक यूरिया का बोरा लेके जाने के लिए पहले आई यूज्ड टू हायर समबडी, पे हिम, नाउ आई जस्ट गो एंड क्विकली, इट इज जस्ट मेड माय लाइफ सो मच इजियर। सो लाइक आई सेड, सी we talked about circumstances, right? What happens is that you cannot be stubborn and not be delusional, okay? Things
हम्म.
like these keep me from going delusional and telling me that no, I'm not delusional, this is
या.
actually working. So
या.
once in a while once in a
दैट
while
रियलिटी चेक.
that reality comes in, when people say this. And I believe in validation, I believe in external validation, we cannot negate that, otherwise
या.
what is the difference between us and being delusional? So
या.
ये धीरे धीरे आता रहता है, and this keeps you, किसी दिन you're not feeling, अगर ऐसा कुछ आ गया, अच्छा सा मैसेज आ गया, it motivates you for weeks ahead.
एब्सोल्युटली
So
एब्सोल्युटली.
and that keeps happening. We are now sending our products to Africa, Bangladesh, Nepal.
वाओ.
Africa से photos आते हैं, and I'm like, it feels kind of nice. It feels that the impact that I thought, I was imagining or I was dreaming,
हम्म.
it's inching close to it. We are in touch
करेक्ट.
with the United Nations now. We are seeing कि इसको कैसे, how can we take it even across Africa, even across Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा इसकी जरूरत है, इंडिया में ही कैसे हम इसको क्या नया स्ट्रैटेजी करें, क्या करें। And these testimonials, they feed into that, it is not just my whims and fancies, it is a
हम्म.
real product, it is creating exactly the impact that I kept saying that it is going to create, it's going to create, but now see the validation is there. So it feels good, it feels amazing. I'm happy about it.
Lovely, sir, and congratulations to you to reaching, outside of India, reaching,
Yes.
taking DVIC globally. The Mumbai girl in me have a small question for you.
Yes.
Because I heard of so many applications here. Did you ever think of tying up with the Mumbai Dabbawalas?
Oh yes, since you brought it up, we have been trying to reach out to them. We are now looking for somebody who can collaborate, because, like I said, see, in a product like this, who pays the bill? I mean, if you are going to tell me कि ठीक है आप ही donate कर दो, तो
Mhm.
मेरे लिए तो यार इतने avenues है ना, मतलब मैं तो जहां हाथ लगाऊं वहीं दर्द हो रहा है। तो वो तो दिल्ली में बेचारे कुछ बहुत सारे लोग हैं, यहाँ पे भी हैं, वहां पे भी है, वहां पे भी। If somebody is hearing out, they can collaborate and help us. We'll be more than happy to reach out to upgrade that. I know the impact it creates. I know what Dabbawalas, the amazing thing they do, with
Yeah.
how professional and systematic the world has come to see how they function. we'll be very very happy if something like that can happen. So thank you for bringing it up. I hope this reaches out
Yeah, it reaches the
to
right
somebody. Yes,
people.
yes, yes.
I know for sure because I have worked with company called SAP, and
Right,
while I was with them, I remember there was a case study done on Dapawalas.
right.
The way they are so,
Yes,
well
organized. Yes.
communicated and organized.
Yes.
So that is something that is how I remembered, right? It is the right application for this Mumbai Dabawalas, and that's a very big network. I hope, through this, we are able to reach them some way and we are able to add value to Mumbai Dabbawalas as well. So, yeah, lovely. So, moving to the next question, right? We spoke about the stories that touched you personally. DWAKE has also reached, like it's crossed India and reached globally. What is the broader vision for DWAKE now? And before you answer that, when you decided to, do this innovation, was sustainability ever, did it ever cross your mind, or it was just, you saw challenges for the masses there back in your village and that motivated you, or sustainability was also part of your vision, sir, back then?
It still is not now.
Okay.
Sustainability. Yeah, I mean, like I said, like I keep saying, man, I mean, that, my opinions are pretty hardcore in a manner. What is the definition of sustainability? If we can't even decide that to begin with, then
Mhm.
let's not even go there.
Right,
Priority
sure.
क्या है? कई बार भी ना हमको we need to look beyond things.
Yeah.
Is it or is it not solving an acute problem?
Hmm.
Yes, is. Chronic problem उसमें solve होती है कि नहीं? I don't care. I don't know how
Right.
else to say this. वो सस्टेनेबल है कि नहीं? बिकॉज सस्टेनेबल की डेफिनेशन मेरी डिक्शनरी में ही कभी ढंग से सिंक नहीं हो पाती है, राइट?
Got it.
कि हाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज सस्टेनेबल? आर इलेक्ट्रिक सस्टेनेबल टू बिगिन विद? आई मीन आई डोंट थिंक सो. आर
I
सोलर
also don't think so, but there are many,
But like I
frankly
say,
speaking.
कि
Yeah.
we need to first differentiate between acute problems and chronic problems, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Acute problem आज आपके पास ये है कि करोड़ों लोग नहीं जा ही नहीं, हॉस्पिटल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, कहीं स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, मार्केट्स नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, उनके पास देखो रोटी कपड़ा मकान था ना, दैट वाज एन अक्यूट प्रॉब्लम. अभी वो
Yeah.
खत्म हो गई है
Yeah.
मोस्टली, और कहीं
Yeah.
नहीं भी हुई है तो एक दो साल में और हो जाएगी. मोबिलिटी इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. कम्युनिकेशन इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. फोन आए ना सबके पास, जियो के
Mm.
आए या किसी के भी आए, या क्या भी हुआ था, स्कैम हुआ था नहीं हुआ था, वो सब छोड़ो, आए कि नहीं आए, उससे उससे
Mm.
पॉजिटिव
Mm.
इम्पैक्ट आया कि नहीं आया, यूपीआई आया
Yeah.
तो आया कि नहीं. अभी
Yeah.
वो हमारा अक्यूट प्रॉब्लम है, वो सॉल्व होना चाहिए. अभी वो सस्टेनेबल से हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, वो एक इट्स आर्म चेयर डिबेट, वो हम कहीं अच्छे से ड्राइंग रूम में बैठ के कर सकते हैं, राइट?
पक्का.
बट ग्राउंड लेवल पे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा था. तो सस्टेनेबल कभी भी मेरे लिए अफोर्डेबल वाज मच बिगर देन सस्टेनेबल. मेरे लिए तो दैट मोबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम हटे और कैसे भी हटे वाज अ मच बिगर मोटिवेटर देन थिंकिंग व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल. So this is what it is. So मेरे लिए initially moving into electric, we could have used diesel engines here, right? I couldn't care less, but it doesn't solve the problem. मेरे को जो acute
Yeah.
problem मेरे around दिख रहा है, and वो इतना एक क्या कहते हैं, it's a pity that I can't show all of that, in a brief window like this, कि देखो ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इतना प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो रहा है. आई कैन कीप सेइंग कि आप इमेजिन करो ना, अपने गाड़ी वाड़ी को, और जो भी आपके पास एक मोबिलिटी का ऑप्शन है, उसको एक हफ्ते के लिए रहने दो, ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
देन लेट्स सी के हाउ योर लाइफ गेट्स अफेक्टेड. अभी
Yeah.
आप 10 दिन में वो देखेंगे जो 58% रोज देख रहे हैं, एवरी सिंगल डे. So what are you talking about? What morals, what development, what education, what healthcare? मेरे लिए तो वो एक अक्यूट प्रॉब्लम के जैसे है, जैसे कि एक क्रशिंग पेन होता है ना, एक इट वाज एन अक्यूट प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट प्रॉब्लम नीड्स टू, यू नीड व्हेन यू आर इन पेन. मैं आपको बोलता हूँ पेन है ना, तो एक काम करो, योगा कर लो, है ना, वो उससे आपको आपको पेन
Wow,
होता है
sir.
ना, तो यू कैन टेक एनी मेडिसिन, यू कैन टेक इवन अल्कोहल, एंड आई नीड टू स्टॉप दिस पेन राइट नाउ, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग. ये योगा
Yeah.
होगा, आप ठीक होते हो तब करते हो. तो मेरे लिए तो इट वाज दिस सिवियर, एंड आई एंड इट नीडेड टू स्टॉप इन एनी मैनर. सो या,
Thank you
दैट्स माय
so
बिलीफ.
much. I mean, the example was also very, very relevant. Definitely, if I have pain in my body, there is no way that I'm going to perform yoga, right? So I get you, and I totally I'm really thankful for you being so honest, sir, because there are many, who can just sugarcoat and manage the interview, say tada bye bye and done, right? So I'm glad that, we are discussing the real issues. And I think these are the real change makers who are needed for India to prosper. Definitely, India is prospering, but to take it to the next level, I think we need guys like you. Now, I think what's the broader vision now for D-Wake, sir?
Well, like I initially said, that had this been a linear product, तो वो एक क्लियर हो जाता कि ठीक
Huh.
है साइकिल्स अब वो बाइसाइकिल्स ट्राइसाइकिल्स फूड कार्ट्स आइसक्रीम कार्ट्स एक्सपोर्ट्स I still see that the company when it's now growing, uh, one more thing I'll mention here that when like I am on my path, okay, and I am doing my thing, like you're talking to me, I'm talking to you honestly, whatever is coming to my mind, I'm saying it,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? People are not deaf and blind.
Yeah.
Everybody that has come on their own accord to me. Our teams get established, people come and join me. This word has gone across just when people reached out. It's funny, that उसके लिए मैं कभी कुछ करता नहीं, लोग खुद ही वो हो जाता है. The
Mm.
way I see it is that this pattern is going to continue. More and more people are joining us, and this sort of a revolution is going ahead. Where is my role in this? I can't envision. Nobody can envision how far this will go because this product is so versatile. It covers. I mean, दुनिया के हर country में cycles चल रहे हैं, हर कुछ हो रहा है. It's too broad. Where do I draw the line? I look at it in that manner. See,
Mm-hmm.
my goal once again is to go back into innovation and
Okay.
let this continue with people who are more capable in other aspects of growing the company. I make sure that we can manufacture 1 million units a month. Okay, that is my vision. 1 million units a month is still nothing. We are causing a little dent, but at least a little dent.
Mm-hmm.
So the day it reaches that, I am done. So तब तक के लिए how smooth can the production line be? How much of a value can I bring in into production, into assemblies, into innovation? And innovation is, like कोई गाड़ी अभी स्विफ्ट आता है तो देन स्विफ्ट LXI VXI ये वो चलता ही रहता है. हर हर 2 एक साल में नया स्विफ्ट आ जाता है. So innovation R&D is like that. It's a never-ending process. You keep refining and further refining and further refining. That is where I add value. So till when once we reach a certain point that इतना production अभी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, it has enough momentum that it doesn't need me at every step. Uh, I think then I'm probably done. There are more things that I see, the more problems I can see. And by the way, since one startup has somewhat given me the knowledge I did not have initially
Mm-hmm.
of how exactly a problem is identified and solution is formed and the solution is implemented. I did not know. Now I know. So now maybe I am slightly better at solving other problems. So I detect problems quicker. I can think of solutions in a much more efficient way. And there are some problems that I have in my mind. So I would want to continue there. I hope that in the next maybe 3 to 4 years, I should have that opportunity. So let's see. Honestly, I really don't care because the way things are going now, I'm really happy with the ups and downs and everything. I mean, this is what I had signed up for to begin with, right? So अभी वो 5 साल बाद क्या होगा I don't care. I care about what's happening in the next 5 months.
Today.
So
Today. Yeah. True. True. No,
yeah.
more power to you, sir. I think I'm confident with the new innovations that you will be focusing on. It's going to be a new breakthrough, and it is going to, address a lot of challenges that masses, or maybe your next journey will be towards solving the problems for richer. I don't know
Yes,
that.
I'll be definitely looking forward to it. Yeah.
So for any innovations, me,
Yeah.
myself, and Suchak and the Awakening Trail wishes you all the very best. With that, I think we come towards the end of this episode, right? And I have a last question for you, and I'm not sure how that answer is going to be. I'm very intrigued to hear
Okay.
from you. The last question, sir, is what is the message that you have for young innovators? You've already covered that aspect, in your previous conversation, but any specific, right? Maybe some people might lack funding or support. In that case, what is the message that you have for them?
Well, दिस आई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टेप आउट ऑफ दिस दैट एक मैसेज होगा वो कहीं से आपको मिलेगा, देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बस ये सुनना था जी, बस अब मैंने सुन लिया है, अब मैं हो गया हूँ मोटिवेट, अब मैं ये कर दूंगा, मैं वो कर दूं। अभी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्नैप आउट ऑफ दैट हैबिट। देयर इज वन
Mm-hmm.
थिंग आई डू टाइम टू टाइम, आई कट फ्रॉम एवरी सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। ओके, आप जिस
Okay.
एज में आज रह रहे हो ना, मेरा जब कॉलेज खत्म हुआ एंड तब मेरे को ना बताने वाला ही कोई नहीं था कि क्या कर लो आप, राइट। आई हैड टैलेंट, आई हैड नॉलेज, किससे पूछे, कहाँ जाए, कौन सा कॉलेज कैसे होता है, नो बडी वॉज देयर। सो वी एट दैट टाइम लैक नॉलेज कि करना क्या
Mm-hmm.
है, एक्सपोजर नहीं है, ये नहीं है। अभी ना बिल्कुल स्टोरी बदल गई, टोटली उसके ऑपोजिट हो गया है। अब आपके पास इतना नॉलेज है जो पिछले 10,000 साल में दुनिया के रिचेस्ट बंदे के पास भी नहीं था, वो अभी आप जेब में लेके घूमते हो। देखो इसका कोई तो कॉस्ट होगा ना, फ्री में
Sure.
तो हो नहीं। तो दिस विल क्रिएट कंफ्यूजन एंड दिस विल क्रिएट अ चॉइस ओवरलोड। ये कर लो नहीं, ये कर लो नहीं, वो कर लो, वो कर, ये चलता ही रहेगा। एंड हाउ डू यू कट इट? यू कांट फाइट इट, just cut it off. Don't read any book, don't read any advice, don't get into anything. Say to yourself that you know enough, and you really really know enough. You
Mm.
don't need anything. Just go. I mean, just and stick to it. It's as simple as I am saying this is, right? It's
Yeah.
as simple. And the the in life, if every step that you take, see, the third step only reveals itself once you take the second step. It's as simple as this. On the first step, the third step never reveals itself. अभी आप कुछ भी
Mm.
पढ़ लो, किसी भी एडवाइस ले लो, कुछ भी कहीं से भी कर लो, it doesn't work like that. And I'll just give one little example, and after that we can conclude. देखो ना, सबको ना कुछ टैलेंट दिया हुआ है भगवान, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता। अगर तो वो डिस्कवर कर लिया है तो बहुत अच्छा बात है, अगर नहीं करा है तो आप कर लो, आपके पास टाइम है। लेट्स से एक स्कूल में आप होते हो और आप कोई पेंसिल से कोई ड्राइंग व्राइंग स्क्रिबलिंग ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत आपको शौक होता है, ठीक है। अभी वो शौक कोई समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इसका क्या फायदा है, क्या कर लोगे सब पेंसिल से ये स्क्रिबलिंग विबलिंग
Mm.
करके। अभी लेट्स से कि आप उसको छोड़ते नहीं हो, आप उसको कंटिन्यू रखते हो, ठीक है। तो आपका क्या होता है, लेट्स 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 एस्टेब्लिश के कैसे होता है। लेट्स से आप 11th 12th में थे, आप स्क्रिबलिंग शुबलिंग कर रहे थे, फिर कुछ नहीं, फिर आपका बाकी लाइफ चल रही थी, आपके एडमिशन हो रहे थे,
हाँ.
कॉलेज चल रहा था। फिर वो आपने कंटिन्यू रखा, और देखो 15 मिनट आधा घंटा ये होंगे आपके पास, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि ना हो दिन में, बट आप कंटिन्यू रखते थे, आपको मजा आता था। अभी कॉलेज आ गया तो व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप ग्रुप बन गए, रेडिट पे ग्रुप वगैरह हो गए, आप दोस्त वोस्त बन गए जो भी पेंटिंग में आपसे थोड़ा और आगे हैं, वो बताने लग गए माइकल एंजेलो का स्टाइल क्या है, सैल्वाडोर डेली क्या बनाता है, या आपका कौन कौन से आर्टिस्ट हैं, रवि वर्मा इंडिया में क्या कर रहा है, एम एफ हुसैन का क्या स्टाइल है। यू आप कलर्स पैटर्न्स डिजाइन, ये इसको थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो गया तो आप थोड़ा सा और ग्रेजुएट हो गए उससे आगे। अभी 3 साल आप कंटिन्यू, आपको भी मजा आ रहा है और पढ़ रहे हो, देख रहे हो, इधर जा रहे हो, उधर कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस में जा रहे हो, वगैरह वगैरह। फिर बाद में आके आपका बाकी तो चल ही रहा है, प्लेसमेंट भी हो रही है, जो भी हो रहा है। अभी ये कैसे अपने आप को बाद में करियर का फॉर्म देता है या कैसे मोनेटाइज होता है। देखो आप एक सुपरमार्केट में जाए, ठीक है,
Mm. Mm.
वहां पे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लें, बिस्किट का पैकेट लें, केक का पैकेट लें। अभी बिस्किट का पैकेट ना 10 रुपए का भी आता है और 500 का भी आता है।
Mm.
देख के पता चल जाता है कि ये 500 वाला है।
Mm.
ये कैसे होता है मैजिकली, ये ना पैकेजिंग से होता है।
Mm.
पैकेजिंग बता देती है,
सही है.
कलर। और वो पैकेजिंग ना एक आर्टिस्ट करता है,
Mm.
ठीक है, वो आप कर सकते हो बिकॉज आप अभी एक आर्टिस्ट हो,
Mm.
राइट। यहाँ से एक डोमेन खुलता है, एडवर्टाइजिंग, पैकेजिंग, कलर्स, राइट, ब्रांड मार्केटिंग। फिर यहाँ पे आपको आपका आपका स्किल सेट के हिसाब से एक डोमेन मिल जाता है। अभी अगर कोई स्टार्टिंग में बोले कि मैं स्क्रिबलिंग करता था तो मैं तो पैकेजिंग में जाऊंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है ना, ये स्टेप स्टेप
Mm.
स्टेप स्टेप करके आता है आगे। सो कुछ भी जो भी तुम्हारा टैलेंट है वो अभी कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा और किसी को भी समझ नहीं आएगा। आप किसी के पास भी चले जाओ, नो बडी कैन टेल यू दिस बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी डोमेन्स एंड सो मेनी वेरिएबल्स। वो अपने टाइम लेगा। आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपका जो भी टैलेंट है जस्ट कीप एट इट, जस्ट कीप एट इट। आप
Yeah.
बस उसको छोड़ो मत, कंटिन्यू करते जाओ, देखो कैसे आगे जाके वो कैसे क्या टर्न लेता है। दैट्स द सिंपलेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू। You think that you will acquire more knowledge and beat somebody who has talent? Well, I can give it to you in writing. I never had any degree in engineering or anything. One domain where I was always untouchable was there, because my passion was so strong. I used to go through books so quickly. You couldn't touch me there. Yes, other things lacked, but that one thing was the strongest thing. So ऐसा होगा आपके पास. Just continue that one talent that you have. Don't give it up because thinking it's useless. So
Yeah,
that's all.
that's really great. Thank you so much for this wonderful message. And overall, this conversation was very insightful. I'm glad that I was able to have this opportunity to, if not meet in person, but at least meet you virtually. I'm very grateful and thankful for that. Thank you for sharing your experience at Shark Tank, your personal experience, and and also for being so straight and so honest. So once again, on behalf of the entire team at the Awakening Trail, I thank you, and I look forward for this episode to go on air as early as possible and see what our listeners have to say about this. Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you, Priyanka. Take care.
What a powerful journey. From small beginnings to national recognition. Gur Saurabh's story is a reminder that innovation doesn't always come from big labs or deep pockets. Sometimes it comes from pure intent and a refusal to give up, or in Gur Saurabh's word, being stubborn. If this conversation sparked something in you, maybe an idea, a dream, or just the courage to begin, that's exactly why the Awakening Trail exists. Finally, please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. Until next time, be happy, make everyone around you happy, stay as close to nature as possible, and love everyone. And always remember, beyond the veil, the trail begins. We'll see you all next week in yet another inspiring episode. Until then, take care.